Let's model a clean, realistic cap in Blender. Let's start by adding an 8-sided cylinder. Adjust the bottom and top vertices, then remove the bottom face. Select the top edge loop, press E to extrude and scale it toward the center. Press 1 to go to vertex mode. Select the vertices, then press M, merge at center. Select that edge loop and bevel it with Ctrl B. Scroll to change the segment. Select the top edge loop, press G twice to slide it along its edge. Press Ctrl+1 top row to add subdivision surface. Turn it off for now. Press K and cut with the knife tool like I do. Press Enter, then 3 for face mode and delete the polygon. Press Alt+X to mirror on the X axis. Now delete the remaining extra face. Grab the knife and make some cuts on the cap. Press 1 for vertex mode. In a snap, choose vertex, select a vertex, hold Ctrl and snap it to its targets. Select all with A, press M, merge by distance. Mirror with Alt+X and apply. To adjust vertices on the Z-axis, hold Z plus Ctrl and move your mouse to place them. If two vertices aren't connected, select them and press J to join. Proper edge flow controls the form. Now the cap shape looks right. Move this edge loop closer to the rim and scale it on Z. Enable Subdivision and tweak the two vertices to preview the final shape. For the front, we want sharper edges and slightly different profile. Add the loop cut, join the two vertices. Mirror on X, apply mirror, and enable subdivision. Delete the extra loop with Ctrl+X. We don't need it. To toggle wireframe quickly with HardOps, press Alt+V and uncheck wireframe. Before joining vertices to the center, select the top edges and convert them to a circle to improve shading. Mesh, transform to a sphere, then scroll to adjust. Now join the vertices with J. Adjust those vertices from top view. Select the edge loops and bevel them. Remember to Ctrl+A, apply all transform first. Scroll to edit segments while beveling. Select the inner faces, right-click and extrude. Align normals. In object mode, HardOps lets you bevel without selecting edges. Press Q, bevel, and move the mouse to set the amount. Add a weight normal modifier for better shading. Mirror and apply all modifiers. For the front panel, duplicate the front edges with Shift+D and separate them with P and selection. Isolate with a slash, go to edit mode and extrude along Y. Adjust the shapes as needed. Select vertices and bevel with Ctrl-Shift-B. Scroll to set segments count. Add a loop cut with Ctrl-R and use the knife to refine the shape. Make a small final tweak. Control Subdivision, insert the front faces with I. Apply Subdivision and adjust corner vertices. Remove the extra loop with Ctrl+X. Control subdivision density with supporting edge loop. Create the top button using the same techniques. If your bevel misbehaves, apply transforms. Ctrl+A, apply a scale or all transform in object mode. Then bevel. Now proportional editing. It lets you move, scale, rotate smoothly. Enable it, press G and scroll the wheel to adjust the influence. Add a plane, create 2 loop cuts with Ctrl R, select corner vertices and bevel with Ctrl Shift B. Join those vertices, add vertical edge loop, bevel them, then add a horizontal loop cut. Enable LoopTools in Preferences. Select polygons, inset, and scale into a square. Then right-click, LoopTools, Circle. Set pivot to individual origins. Insert again, and then delete the circles to create holes. Select the loop, extrude inward, and tweak vertices and edges to refine the form. Use proportional editing again to smooth transitions. Select all faces, right-click and extrude along normals. Bevel the sharp edges and model the second part using the same steps. That's it. Good luck and see you next week.